you and welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. I had just made a video that is, I guess you would say quite depressing. So for this video, my topic is a little bit more lighthearted to kind of bring up reality a little bit on the other side. So I've got really bad. Now this ought to be good. So yesterday I went out driving around, went to a friend's car dealership, Main Street Classic Cars in Denison, Texas, because Jay had a 63 split window Corvette for sale. Pretty car. So I just thought I'd go look at that. And as a result, I thought, well, you know, I'm out. Why not go on to Hickman Creations? I was in my C6 Corvette and I want it fixed up. So I took it out there to Hickman and had them look at it for some upcoming changes that I have planned for that car. So while there, okay, more C1 and C2 Corvettes around. So I thought, seeing another trend here. So on the way home, I had already passed up Classic Car Liquidations in Sherman. And it's like, okay, we're right here. Let's just go into their shop. I've done a video on them in the past. And it's like, all right, fine. Let's go in here and see what they have. Well, okay, they've got more old Corvettes as well. So, okay, I found my trend. And it's not a bunch of people getting killed in Corvettes. It's a lot of nice Corvettes that are for sale and being worked on. So, hey, let's balance this out a little bit. And let me just go ahead and show you what I saw. Here we go. Main Street Classic Cars, downtown Denison, Texas. Here's where it's located at the little red mark off 69, just north of the bridge next to Albertsons. Big towers right next to it, can't miss it. Owned by Jay and Cindy Conley. Very nice folks. As well as Donnie, sales manager, GM. So very cool guy. And here's their Facebook page. You can find them out there, or you can find them on YouTube as well. Now their daughter has Twisted Ink. Nice little shop for getting your shirts all fixed up with your logos and things like that. Cool slogans. Now here's the front facade of the shop. You can kind of see one of the big towers off to the left. And let's just take a walk inside and look at this beautiful 1963 Corvette. This is a 1963 Corvette split window coupe, numbers matching. And it is a L75 300 horsepower V8. It really does look like it's in very, very nice condition. The red interior is also in great condition. The engine and transmission are both rebuilt. It's a no-hit body with one repaint that shows well. Runs and drives great. The odometer is at 42,341 miles. This is a car that, in theory, should go up in value.
Street Classic Cars has a lot of cool cars for sale. So they do have other Corvettes there, so be sure to look them up and check out these nice cars. Hickman Creations. This is another shop that is north of Dallas. It's off Preston Road, which is also 289, and that is going to be on the west side of 75. So very easy place to get to. Here's Hickman's Facebook page, and yes, they do have a website as well, so they're easy to find and contact. Here are two of the previous Hickman Creations videos that I have made, so you might want to look those up. And I thought I'd just throw in here this whiteboard with all the cars they are in the middle of working on. These guys are busy. So here we are out front, just looking around. And here is sitting out front the 1962 that is for sale. If you like this thing, you might see more pictures of it on the Facebook page if you're interested. So, and then under the covers, you've got this C2 Corvette as well. I had seen this on the spring tour, got some pictures of it, along with another C1 that is already sold. And then in the bay next to this is also this C2 red one that is very beautiful. So pretty cool projects they have going on, and one that's been going on for quite a long time. They are completely building from the bottom up is this old C1 as well. So it is in the upholstery shop now, getting more of the interior and the trunk space taken care of. Alright, while I was out, like I said, decided to go a little closer into Sherman and hit Classic Car Liquidators. This is the front, and here's a sign. You know, you can't miss this place. It's pretty cool. They do have their own internet page, so you can check out their cars and their inventory out there. And they also have Gearhead, so you can look that up and see what it's all about. But like I said, this is basically almost right in Sherman. It's off 56, so if you're on 75, you would just, you know, go west, or if you're on Preston Road, you'd go east. It's just right dab in the middle, so easy to get to. Here is a previous video that I did on this place, so if you want to see a little more detail, look at that video. And here is a beautiful C2 Corvette that they had sitting there. I'll let you take a look at this. So out front they had this really nice C3 Corvette. This is the style that I prefer the most. And you know, it's just a really cool car, so let's just take a quick walk around and see what it looks like.
I hope this was a little bit more uplifting and interesting. So, you know what? Relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.